Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a minimal dev environment so you can code immediately. Open your new project folder in VS Code and run npm in it to create package. JSON, this wires package scripts and dependencies. Install Live Server to preview HTML and Prettier to keep files consistent. Once done, create index. HTML, styles, CSS, and main. JS in a SRC folder so your workspace is organized. Make sure Git is initialized and your Git ignore excludes node modules. Now you set up tooling to speed development and avoid errors. Configure tasks. JSON to run build scripts and launch. JSON to debug node or browser sessions. This makes stepping through code simple. Add ESLint and Prettier settings so linting and formatting run on save. That prevents style drift. Use Emmet for rapid HTML, multi-cursor for repetitive edits, and the integrated terminal to run npm scripts. Together, these choices reduce mistakes and keep focus on features. To finish, run your test suite and then start the dev server to verify UI and console behavior. Confirm responsiveness and assets load correctly. Build the production bundle with your bundler or npm run build, then deploy using Git, a static host, or SCI. If something breaks, inspect the browser DevTools network and console, check VS Code terminal output, and review the problems panel and extension logs. That triage sequence pinpoints config versus code issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.